That is from the earthquake. There are buildings all over. Yeah, man.
Oh my.
Get a video of that, Fletters. That is... Yeah, bro. Look, even that roof, bro. Other way. Better this way? You know what he's saying?
I don't think he knows. Because they're all saying come this way. These guys are all saying go the other way. We've been the other way, that's why we know. Yeah.
Landslide.
You should tell them there's a landslide down there.
Yeah, that's where I want to be in that airplane boat, mate. Up there.
We found higher ground after an earthquake in Hideaway Island. They say magnitude 7.4. We're lucky to have jumped on a boat and then jumped in a ute that some Aussies had with them on the island. And we raced one way down a dirt road, and at the end they said there were landslides, so we had to turn back around. We're going pretty fast because we don't know if there's a tsunami coming after the earthquake, so we raced back the other way. There was a building that was partially collapsed, and people said the bridge was broken from the earthquake as well, so we had to go back the way we came again. And we found a trail. One lady that we picked up said this is the way to higher ground, and here we are now. Everyone's just waiting. Some people are going back now. It's been 3 hours? 3 hours or more. Some people are going back into town, taking a chance, but there's still a risk of tsunami because pretty big earthquake for around here. I haven't had one like this. Yeah, keep feeling tremors. They haven't had one like this for decades. So yeah, tsunami risk is high. We decided no, we're going to stay here. They want to go to the embassy, which is on lower ground, so that's the embassy can't help. There's no signal. And after those guys left, we had a police car come up to us here and say that many buildings have fallen down and people are trapped in the rubble. So yeah, it's pretty damn serious. So he's going to stay put here, higher ground, safer. They've run out of bottled water, but it's okay, we've got some Fanta for now. It might be a bit dehydrating, but it's better than nothing for now. There's some banana trees and a thunderstorm coming, but yeah, they're going to take the women and children under the shelter, 2 shelters here. Or just hide under a tree or something. And that's all we can do, just wait. Better to be here than on lower ground anywhere. So, more people coming now.
Ministry of Lands and Department. Inside there, huh? Yes, leaning. What town?
Wow, it's leaning.
Yeah, it's leaning. It's leaning towards the towards the sea.
Wow, it's moved over like at least a meter. Jeez.
Oh my God. So is the Chinese restaurant still there? We're gonna have lunch, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe not. There's no water.
Yeah.
It's split in half. There.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wow, it's just
Yeah.
split in half.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. I think the embassy's safe.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, it's not safe. Nothing's safe.
I think we have the US Army flying over in the morning. Because, you know,
Church is okay.
Yeah.
That's the Catholic Church. Those people were sleeping on the ground yesterday.
Yes.
They're working all night, huh? And they're still working.
Wasn't the hotel working for?
Jesus.
Yeah.
Only some people they still
Still in there.
Oh shit.
We hear Australian regulars are landing in Santo, and they'll come by boat here.
With that.
Right on top here are the Prime Minister and the President's office.
Oh,
And they have to move
Landslide.
the Prime Minister's office.
Yeah.
Right.
So his situation, there's been a few commercial jets flying around, got military planes, doing the aerials and stuff, but they can't land. We just came down the mountains, tsunami warning was cleared, still felt earthquake tremors for a while. But they said part of the runway is damaged, so don't know how the plane is going to land there. This guy's tearing past right now. Yeah, there's buildings that have collapsed. One building had 20 people dead. They're still trying to pull people from it. It's terrible. Craziness. Heaps of buildings are just on the verge of collapsing. And there's no water. They've turned off the water. And there's no internet, there's no telephone, there's no connections, so people are piling up, queuing up for fuel, queuing up in the river to get buckets of water, and there's no bowls of water in shops, so I'm just walking around trying to find one. Just went to the embassy. I left my girlfriend there, safe over there, and I'm just gonna try and find some water. Wish me luck. Yeah, and I am walking on that path now. Fucking hell. It's a grand hotel, not so grand anymore. Here we are back in the tsunami zone. Hello.
Hello.
This is the first time we've been down to this level. As you can see, here's the ocean right there, and there's signs everywhere saying tsunami zone. But there's no more tsunami warning, so it's okay. But we did have a earthquake, another one this morning. It was at 5 a.m. magnitude of 5.2. So that was the fifth one actually. We only just had internet reception and found out that there was actually 5. We didn't know. We thought the others were tremors because we've had probably 50, 60 tremors since it started on Tuesday morning, midday. So
Every
Yeah.
hour. we could
almost
feel-
every hour there's another tremor. But yeah, this morning it shook again. And that was an earthquake, yeah. But it's not as bad as the first one. The first one was, whoa, so here we are.
Clear water.
Don't see any tsunami coming, it's good. The water looks okay again. It was a bit muddy the other day
Oh,
after the earthquake. Oh yeah, it's not too bad compared to the others. This is actually, the Grand Hotel's done alright. Yeah. So these bungalows seem to be alright. The bungalows. So no aeroplanes coming in yet. Oh, look at the landslides at the end there.
Where?
There. Some big landslides as well. Yeah, a few more people died in the landslides in a little bit more inland. Where there was another flight this morning, but a military flight which took on they delivered some cargo, some supplies to Vanuatu, and then they had an empty cargo, so they filled it with Aussies to go back. Unfortunately, they didn't let us on because my girlfriend is not Australian, she's Brazilian. That's okay, we'll wait for another one. Maybe they'll have more space for us, right? Otherwise I might have to, and then meet you in Sydney. No.
Yeah. I'll go to
Of course
Brazil.
not. I'll take on another earthquake.
Oh. No,
No, I'm
don't say
joking.
that.
No more.
No more earthquakes.
No more earthquakes, we're done. So yeah, this is,
So beautiful.
it's beautiful, yeah.
Oh, fish.
Yeah, little fish. Just unfortunate timing with the earthquake.